So first question, everyone is okay?
Yeah.
Can Now second question, I want to go through part B, but part 1 is everything okay? Can So let's go through part 2. Okay, now how do you do part 2? It says x must be more than, so can you write down the first thing? X more than 1 and 2/3. Now, what it means is, y is decreasing. What does it mean? Y is decreasing. Okay, if decreasing means dy dx less than 0. Now, how do I show? Now, the key idea here is you want to show. Now, first I ask you, this thing here is broken up into 3 areas. 3 things. What are the 3 things? Negative 11. This is 1. This is 2. First, negative 11 is plus or minus? Minus. Oh, so I have something like this. This is negative. Then the next thing is, what is in the 2 bracket? You must be able to tell me, is it minus or plus when x is more than 5 over 3. Now let's start with the first one. So what you want to write? Working. When x is more than 1 and 2/3. First, tell me 2 plus x. Is it more than 0 or less than 0? How do I know? I put numbers inside. More than 0. So you put 1 and 2/3 inside the first bracket. This is 1 and 2/3. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. You notice that 2 plus something is more than 0. So what you want to write? This is more than 0. First you follow? Okay, good. Now what about the second one? 3x minus 5. So over here, you can put this is positive. Do you understand what I'm doing? Your attention is here. You know that the first bracket is positive. Now what about the second bracket? When it's more than or equal to 1 and 2/3. What is 3x minus 5? 0. When it's equal to 1 and 2/3. When it's more, it will be plus or minus? Plus, positive. So you write here more than or equal to 0. You understand? So over here is positive as well. Now, zooming in, tell me what you understand by this. I have negative number divided by positive, divide by positive. Overall is positive or negative? Negative. You understand? So how do you write that in words? dy dx will be less than 0. But you don't need to sum in one value, because this one means there is thousands of value inside. But you just want to know what is the general sign. What is the general inequality sign? And this is important. Oh, you just put also can. But you must tell me the whole denominator is more than 0. Okay? Now, once you can write this, what do you write? What can you write next? Therefore, y is decreasing. Alright? The concluding statement is important. So check your working. You must have, therefore, y is decreasing. Now where's the 1 mark? This is the 1 mark. This is the 1 mark. This is the 1 mark. But there's only 2 marks. So either you show this, or you show this is 1 mark. Then the concluding statement is 1 mark. Clear? You must write. Yeah, can. Don't say when x equals to 2. Say when x is more than 1 and 2/3.
What was this?
No. Because this one is, you tell me it is less than 0. No, I didn't tell you. They say show that it is show that it's a decreasing function. They didn't say it is a decreasing function. So you cannot start with since this is less than 0, cannot. You got to show something so that this is less than 0. So this is you tell them it is less than 0. This you can if you start with this, the question is
how do I even tell them that it's less than 0?
Oh, because over here this is a minus, this is a plus, this is a plus. Whatever number x is, overall is less than 0. So because of these two more than 0, this is less than 0. Therefore, it is decreasing. Class, once you write since dy dx is less than 0, if you write something like that, it's wrong. Because the question did not tell you it's less than 0. You are supposed to show that it's less than 0. So that's the difference. Cannot lah. So minus this is good. If you don't have this, this is more than 0 when x is more than 5/3. Then this one you put at the bottom, then it becomes correct. So it's just rearranging. Okay? How I know this is more than or equal to 0? You put a value of x in. This x can be 1 and 2/3, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. You put it in. Then you realize that you press calculator is more than or equal to 0. I'm saying whatever you're asking me because when you watch the video later, these are the questions that goes through your head as well. Can you write dy dx less than 0? For all value it must be. If not, it will become an increasing function. Can. But rather you write more than 0 instead of less than 0. The other way around, you write the positive way. Question 3, can I check your answer? K equals to negative 0.0203. Who cannot get? Okay, I need to go through the steps. Is there a negative? Positive. What is the value of A? 36. Raise out your hand if you need me to go through this. Rachel, you got the answer? 3 part 1, part 2, who want me to go through? Part 2, okay. So part 1 is fine, huh? 3 part 2. Sketch the graph M against T. Tell me the equation M equal to 36E negative 0.0203 T. First, this is a what curve? The E minus KT. Can you tell me Y equals to E minus KX? This graph is what? Aeroplane fly up or fly down? Really? I remember this one is Y equal to EX. If minus X? If negative? The other way, right? The other way, right? So how does this work? It must be coming down. Understand? That's it. But what is this? What is this value? Huh? This is M when time is 0. When time is 0, I put in 36. Okay? Right only. Check that your aeroplane is landing. So it's coming towards the 0, but cannot touch 0. Good. Okay? And the next one is the 36. You need to write. Huh? Yeah, need to write. So 2 mark. The graph 1 mark. The 36 1 mark. Cannot touch 0. Once you touch the T wrong, crash. The plane crash. Must label the graph, yes. So Y, no, M. This is the graph. Do you need to draw the negative part? Good question. Answer is no, because time less than 0, no such thing. time cannot be -1, so no need to draw the, no need. This one, label the graph. A bit long, but worth the 1 mark. Okay, go on to the next one. The video will be very long, so you just fast forward as what you need, then you just listen to what you need. Okay, question 4.
All your video
It's okay, it's okay. It's only meant for those who need to watch. Okay. Endpoint no need to find. Need to find? To need because they never tell you x equals to what, so no need to find. Now, part 2 means what? Part 2 means that the line can move. Do you understand? Y equals to mx minus 1. M equals to 4. So y equals to 4x minus 1. Can you draw this graph on? The first part is just split the thing, yes. Do you know how to get this? Can, Can, Okay. Now, next one. This one, they say find the x coordinate. So, do you know how to find? Sub in is correct. Sub in is correct. So, what you need to do is, this is equation 1. Where is the equation 2? Y equals to 3x minus 6, equation 2. Or y equals to minus what? 3x minus 6, equation 3. So 1 and 2 will have one answer. 1 and 3 will have one answer. You follow? So x will be -5, x will be 7. Is that correct? No. Don't copy. Tell me your answer instead. What is your x? 3 and 1. What else? -5 and 1. What else? -5 and 7. Oh my god. So let's solve this together. 4x minus 1 equal 3x minus 6. 4x minus 1 equal 3x minus 6. Bring over. X equals to -5.
Oh God,
the other one. 4x minus 1 equal minus 3x plus 6. Do you do that? Bring over 7x. Bring over 7. X equals to 1. Do you see your careless mistake? Can you circle your careless mistake? Then remind yourself, dear so and so, don't make this mistake again.
I will definitely.
So part 2A, this is the answer. Part 2B, this is 4A, part 2A. So let's go to 4 part 2B. Find the set of value where my line plus minus 1, sorry, minus 1 intersect 2 points. Let me ask you, where is minus 1? Somewhere below here. Can everyone listen to this? Very interesting. Minus 1 is the x-axis wrong. Minus 1 is the y-intercept. Okay, everyone look at the graph. Put your pen down, eyes on the board. Listen to this. Let's discuss. Now, I need to construct 1 million lines. That means, how many lines must I construct? 1 million. But for that 1 mark, 2 mark, not worth it. Now, let's go with parallel first. Look at this gradient. What is the gradient here? M equals to Really? Wrong. M equals to 3. Why? Because this is y equals to 3x minus 6. Of course, the modulus. Now, if m equals to 3, what will you draw? Question, can you draw y equals to 3x minus 1? This line will be parallel to what line? This blue line. Can you see that you will have a graph like that? Where this line is parallel. If parallel, how many times do I intersect? 1. So can n be equal to 3? No, n cannot be equal to 3. So you know here m not equal to 3. You understand this part? Next one, if my gradient is steeper, my this line will go up or go down. My black line will go up or go down. If gradient is steeper, it will go up, steeper. So my red line, this one means m more than 3. Do you understand? And then what happened? My m, if less than 3, then what will happen? It will go gentle, right? This is m less than 3. But if less than 3, will it touch 2 times? Yes. Why? Because this blue line will extend forever. This green line will extend forever. As long as they are not parallel, somewhere they will meet. Do you understand? So my m must be lesser than 3. So this m must be lesser than 3. But lesser than 3, if it's smaller to a certain extent, it will also touch 2 points. Do you know where will it be? See, the green line continue to move down. See, this green line continue to move down. Touch 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times until here. What happened? Touch 1 time. Understand? So my gradient must be bigger than this value. Understand? So my gradient must be bigger than this value. This gradient. So what is this m? Look at the triangle there. Can you calculate the gradient? Rise over run. Do you see a triangle? Rise over run. This is 1. This is 2. What is the gradient? 1. You see, at this particular point, my brown line only touched the blue line 1 time, right? So my gradient must be bigger than this value, and this is half. Do you follow? Negative half or half? Half. Because the gradient is positive. So I summarize what I say. Now, if the gradient is half, touch 1 point. Bigger than half, it will go up 2 points already. Until parallel 1 point again. So must be between the brown to the black. The brown to the black. Yellow. Do you understand? So my gradient will be between half to 3. Now, even if you don't understand this, you are guaranteed an A1. A-max is very easy to get A1. You just need to make sure your other part, the fundamental, the linear repeated root can do. The logarithm can do. All these questions is just to segregate the A and the A star. If you totally cannot understand, this particular part is still fine. Why? You look at the whole question 4. How many marks? 6 marks. You get 4 marks already. 4 upon 6 guarantee A. You know why? Because for A max, many people are taking. Okay? So we just need to make sure we are at the top. 35 will do. Can do one. So not to worry that much. Can you copy down what you need? The answer is this. Any working mark, there's no working mark. It's a B1, B1. There's no working mark. You just need to understand why is it half, why is it less than 3. Oh, no need. The answer is just like that. The green thing. This is the answer. 2 marks. This is 1 mark. This is 1 mark. Copy what you need to go on to question 5.
No need for speed. Okay.
So question 4 is K. Can? So question 5, I go up. Question 5. My throat is giving way already. But I'm thinking if I don't come today, we will miss 6 periods. So I better come. Yeah, but she also have a lesson. Yes. Yes, do you have lesson speed? We'll go through. No lah, 5. I cannot 4. I think 4 I punctured already. Oh no. I thought you all don't want. I will pass to you all, then you all do yourself. No lah. Okay, now question 5. This is okay, but some of you not very sure how to find a new root. Now let's revise again for alpha beta. So new roots. So you need to write down sum. Can write down sum of new roots. K over 2 alpha plus K over 2 beta. Oh, this one is for x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals 0. But the bottom one is totally different question. Do you realize? Because the bottom one is for the 5x squared. So let's write down. This is for 5x squared minus 4x plus p equal 3. Can I just say alpha? A is 5, B minus 4, C P minus 3. So you must remember to change everything to the other side. So that is 1 mark. So A is 5, B is minus 4, C is P minus 3. Now do you notice that my sum of roots is different, alpha of root is different? So sum of root is this. But what is the answer? Minus B over A. No, it's not. You cannot take from top already. You must take from bottom. Hey, this is wrong. This is wrong. The answer is 5. Oh, I copied wrong. Oh, alpha plus beta is minus B over A. So this is 4. The top one is correct? Correct. Okay, now I need to know how to write this number. Is this number 4? Is this number 4? No, because new equation. This is the equation. So I must use the B over A. So will be 4 over 5. Can follow? Can. Continue. How do I continue here? I got 2 fractions. What do I do? Make same denominator. Combine. So same denominator is what? 4 alpha beta. Here will be K times beta. 4 wrong. It should be 2. The LCM here is not 4. The LCM here is only 2. But you still get the same thing. All of you use 4. Okay. If you use 4, it's fine. Then here there will be a 2, right? Then here will be 2k alpha. This is 4 over 5. Can solve for k?
K equals 2.
So you take out 2k bracket alpha plus beta over 4 alpha beta equals to 4 over 5. How do I continue here? Do I know the value of alpha plus beta? You use the top one now. Use this now, understand? Use this now, understand? Okay? So what do you put in alpha plus beta? 4. So then here becomes 2k bracket 4. What about alpha beta? 5. This is 4 over 5. So what is k? Half. Right? K is not half, man.
Yeah, 4 times 5. 4 times 5.
Oh, there's a 4 here. There is 2. Sorry. Okay, so K is 2. Now P is 4 can do? Can? So you use sum of new roots. Then I want you to use product of new roots. Check your answer. P is 4. K equals 2. Can? Product rule to find P. Product rule means K over 2 alpha times K over 2 beta. This is C over A. So P minus 3 over 5. This is okay? So based on this, put in the K, put in the alpha and beta, then you find the answer. 6 part 1. 6 part 1 wrong. There are 4 answers. It's between 0 to 360. Do you get 4 answers? Do you need me to show you? Show. Okay, tangent 2 theta. 2x. Tangent x equal 4. What is the first step? Change 2x to what? Is there a formula? 2 tangent x. Tangent x over 1 minus tangent square x. So you solve like a quadratic equation. So you cross multiply upward. So this is 2 tangent square x equals 4 minus 4 tangent square x. So tangent x equals to plus minus square root 2 over 3. Do you get that? So you group this together. So it becomes 6. Then you bring over the 6. Then it becomes 2/3. Now from here you need to split 2 parts. You need to write down tangent x. Reference angle is the same. No need to carry the negative sign. Okay, so you want to do it together. So reference angle, you need to ignore the negative sign. So it's tangent inverse square root 2/3. And what is the reference angle? 39.23. Yeah, you have your 5 decimal place. Now, tangent is plus and minus. So where do you choose? Positive, you choose A and T. Negative, you choose S and C. So you will have 4 answers. Do you follow? Alpha, yeah. Reference angle is the alpha. It's the basic angle, it's the reference angle, it's the alpha. All are the same. So x will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you follow? Okay? So this is the first one is 39.2. The second one is 180 minus 39.2. Third one is 180 plus 39.2. 360 minus 39.2. So you have 4 answers. Now let's go through the graph again. The graph means within 0 to 360. This equation will have how many intersections? 4, right? So let me draw the graph. Still remember how to draw the graph? Tangent is like that. So this is 360. How do you have 4 intersections? Huh? Oh no. 2 because you thought that it is a straight line. But if I draw a random line, you will have 4. So it means something like that, like that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. My graph salah. Okay. So maybe how? Maybe like that. Whatever lah. Now I want you to understand this. Now this straight line doesn't make sense. But having 4 answers, it means I have a graph like that, and then it will cut 4 points. 1, 2. Oh no. 3, 4. Now, what I want you to understand is this: between 0 to 360, I will cut 4 times. Who don't understand this statement? Can Now, I'm using this to answer part 2. Ready? Part 2 Now, part 2 asks you, if I have negative 720 to 180, how many times will I cut? Now, let's start. Based on this, can you answer the question? 0 to 180, cut how many times? Very good. 2 times. Why? Because 0 to 360 cut 4 times. 0 to 180 half I did cut 2 times only. This part okay? Next one. What about the negative range? What about 0 to negative 360? Cut how many times? 4 times. Do you understand? Because every 360 I cut 4 times. So this one is cut 4 times. Now, then the question is, negative got count man? Now, what you want to understand is this. All look up first. Now, this very cute graph will repeat itself the same way as negative. Do you understand? So, if I extend the line, it will still cut 4 times. But this is just 0 to negative 360. What about negative 720 to negative 360? Cut how many times? Again, cut 4 times. So altogether cut 10 times. This is a state, no working. 10 times. So again, this cannot do. Don't get so upset because you get 5 out of 6. Don't. One dp. This one is 1 dp. 1 dp. Okay. Okay, next. Question 7. 7. Write down the first 3 terms. Give away. Can do? use the formula given on the cover page. That is given in the cover page. So can you tell me your answer?
I get 1 minus
1 minus 4px plus 7p squared x squared. Full stop. No, write down the first three terms. So this is the first three terms. Happy? Okay, part 2. Now, find the expansion, find in terms of p the coefficient. Need me to go through? This is selective distribute, selective rainbow. So, you need to tell me which rainbow will give you x squared.
So the one without p or the x square without p or something.
What
What they say only find p leh. Yeah, find in terms of p.
What? Wait, I know already. Wait, I write already. Do you get 7?
No.
What do you get?
14.
14. Oh my god.
They choose 2 then you times.
Hey, let's investigate. This one will be 8 choose
They choose 2 times 1
2.
Then divide by 2.
And then minus half have square. Let me write out the whole term. Let me write out the whole term. The whole term is 8 choose 2 1 8 minus 2 minus p over 2 x squared. So when you expand this, 8 choose 2 is what? Number 28. So this is 28 times 1 is still 1. The square must multiply by everything inside. You can imagine this as like that. Like that. Minus p over 2x. Itself times itself. Minus times minus plus. P times p squared. X times x squared. Half times half over 4. So this is p squared x squared. So 7 is correct. Okay. Now next one. How do I do the selective distribute? 1 must multiply by what? This one. So if okay, I write down 2 for you. If I write terms of x squared, this will be 14 p squared x squared. Can follow? If I write down coefficient of x squared, then this will be 14 p squared. There's no x squared. You follow? So you ask me whether I want to write x squared or not. Depends on what word you use. You use terms of coefficient. You should write, should write something.
Or 108 x squared.
Yeah. You need to multiply 3 times. Blue one I settle. Second one, black one. Negative 4x must multiply by what? Negative 4px. So what do you write? Plus 16p x squared. Or if you don't like to write the x squared, plus 16p. Tavis, you choose to sit there because you want to listen, I think. Huh? Or do you have the worksheet? Oh. So you are listening at least? At least pretend to listen, can? Huh? I don't know lah. Pretend to entertain me, can? Pretend to copy, at least you know, yeah. Last one. I need an x squared. So this one must multiply by 1. So I will have minus 108 x squared. Or you just write 108. So that's the answer already. Need to simplify. Hey, which one is the answer? This is the answer. If you write the term, you have to write the coefficient later. Because they say they want the coefficient only. So this is the answer. Next one. The coefficient of x is the same. So you have to write down, this is part 3. Coefficient of x. Can you tell me which one you need to multiply? 2 times 4px. So minus 4p and minus 4. Anything else? No. What do I mean by they are the same? They are equal. So what is the concluding statement? 14p squared plus 16p minus 108. Huh? Oh, minus 8. Minus 8. Now, what can you say about these two things? This is coefficient of x squared. This is coefficient of x. They are same. Same means equal. Can you solve for p? Can. Now you bring p to one side. You have equal to 0. Then you factorize. Then you solve for p. So p should have two answers. P equals to, Ryan? No. 2 and p equals to 26/7. Sometimes you reject the positive, but they say p is positive, so you reject negative. Okay? Okay? Listen, you can retain about 30%. Plus look, maybe another 30%. But if you don't do, the next day you forget everything. So I assume you'll be doing tonight. There's a reason why you still remain in this classroom, because you want to do A-Max. So please be serious. Never read, never mind. At least you listen, you write down. Okay? Now, next one, question 8. Range of value. Start to ask this kind of question. Do you understand what it means?
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Aaron, what does it mean?
Oh, that means less than 0. Divided is less than 0. Wait. No. More than 0. Does that mean is that right?
Why less than 0 means what?
Divided is more than 0.
No. Why is less than 0? What does it mean?
The equation is more than 0.
Oh, this thing is less than 0. Now, when this thing less than 0, what does it mean? I have a fraction and cross multiply
Divided is less than 0.
times both sides the same.
Divided is.
Can you multiply that thing over? Cannot. Why? Inequality. I worry. Why I worry? If the bottom is negative, I multiply over, what must I do? Change the sign. So the answer will be different. So how you do? Times both sides square root. Actually, the easy way is just ignore the denominator. But let me explain why you can ignore the denominator. Let's start. Now, when you square both sides, you square both sides. So you square both sides, here become power 4. Here become 2x minus 1. When you square 0, still 0. Now when this is 2x minus 1, less than 0. Now I still cannot multiply over. Actually I can. Because 2x minus 1 is a multiple than 0, 0. Right? So the end of the story is I just need the top part to be less than 0. You understand? So I don't have to consider the bottom part.
Yeah.
So back to the official explanation.
One
So you only consider the top. So 6 plus x minus 2x squared less than 0. Then you solve this, okay? Worst thing is you tell me this less than 0 or this less than 0. Anyone wrote this? Please don't, please don't. So please, did you factorize this? I hope you didn't, Do you notice that? Do you notice that the minus 2x squared? What must you do? Change to plus. Do you change to plus? If you never change to plus, answer is wrong. Why? Because this graph you draw is like that. I never teach you like that. Because this is a negative x squared curve. So what you should do is change into, cannot be square minus 4ac, don't do this. More than 0. Then your graph look like that. This is the graph you are familiar with. I repeat again, for inequality quadratic, you need to make sure the x squared is positive. You want me to show you the two different working? Can you tell me what's the two bracket here? Tell me. Two x and 3. X and 2. Which one plus, which one minus?
X minus 3.
You got this? Let me show you the two answers. Let me show you the top one and the bottom one, and I explain to you why both are the same. I start with something we are familiar. Now, this is more than 0, so what do I do? This is 2, this is negative 3 over 2. So this is 2, this is negative 3 over 2. I want more than 0, where do I select? The top one. So I select here, I select here. So x will be more than 2. X will be less than negative 3 over 2. Now, let me work with this. Same thing. This is 2. This is negative 3 over 2. I want less than 0. Where is it? Top or bottom? Look, less than 0. I want bottom. I want here. I want here. Do you see it's the same answer? But I never teach you this because I never show you the curve can draw as an unhappy curve. Right? I always tell you be positive, right? So you only learn something like that. So means what? For quadratic inequality, change to positive x squared first. Then you end up with something like that.
Number 1.
During SSP, we will continue. Let's hope to finish this paper. Let me bring up the answer paper to you. No, SSP. Later is Emacs. Huh? I swap.
No,